Come. Come.
I love you.
Come.
A lot. It's a lot.
Perfect.
What's wrong with you, Mabel?
Dork. What do you like about me? What do you like about me?
I like how you're really easy to talk to. You can talk for hours on the phone. Like so long you get like that 5-minute warning.
Here's a pocket.
Yeah, for real.
Anything else?
Yeah, a lot more stuff.
Yeah.
Like, you're really good in bed.
He wouldn't know.
Huh?
Nothing.
I like how you make the most randomest foods that I've never even seen someone do, but they're so good. Like, you surprised me, today surprised me. With the Cheetos and cheese thing, surprised me. And my ice cream man doesn't do that. It's like, fucking difficult. For real, I have to come all the way to your house to get some damn Cheetos and nacho cheese.
You're cute.
What?
I love it.
I love you too.
Don't go to sleep!
Oh, that's why.
You like my camera?
Mm-hmm.
Look, it has flash.
What?
Wake up. Wake up.
Oh, wait. It's your fault you woke me up all early.
You're supposed to wake up early anyway.
Now I'm gonna stay up late.
I can stay up late. You're supposed to stay up late. Don't roll your eyes at me, mister. Kick your butt. Oh, really? Is that necessary?
Don't knock me off the bed, come on. I love you.
No, you don't. You lie.
I think about we were tired was the Sharpie fumes. I'm all sleeping on it and shit.